2 weeks time, this will be ready for transplanting to a nursery like this. There is bed. Welcome guys, this is Farm Gas, which is about farming, horticulture and organic herbs. So today we're going to learn how to raise ornamental plants to decorate your home or office. So as you can see, these ornamental plants, we are going to try to raise a nursery for one of them, and that is this one. This particular plant, this ornamental plant, is called yellow bush. So we're going to do nursery for it this evening. So let's follow along. So as we have it here, we cut it in small pieces like this, and then we raise it in nursery. So as it is, this particular plant is very easy to cultivate. As you see it, come a very little twig or stem like this with a knife, and then you remove some of these lower leaves, and then you go and put this onto the ground. Plant it. This particular plant, yellow bush, is very easy to cultivate. You look at these leaves. If you cultivate it and you water it well, or during rainy season, the leaves will not wither, they continue to grow, and the plant becomes a bigger one gradually. So you cut it like that, as many as you want. You cut them. Make sure you cut the tender ones, very tender ones. They are easy to nurture. Apart from that, you can also cut the older ones, but the older ones will take time to survive, but these tender ones survive quickly. That is why we want to show you how to do it. Cut as many as possible, these small ones, very tender ones, the tender twigs, and then we will show you how to do that on the nursery. So follow along. Don't skip any part of this video so that you can learn all the nitty-gritties of raising this ornamental plant, yellow bush. So let's go and see the nursery. Don't forget to like and share the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when we bring another interesting videos like this. Let's go. Alright, so the next thing is to prepare a nursery like this. Prepare a bed. Prepare the soil like this, form bed. Let it be very soft, very soft, and then you put young twigs that be cut as many as possible, just like this. You have the twigs like this. You remove the lower leaves like this, then you just use them, plant them like this. So because the soil is very soft, you hold it down like this, as many as you want. The young twigs, put them, bury the base like 1 inch into the soil. Bury the base like 1 inch into the soil. Sometimes you may want to use some nursery bags to do this. So you put sand in a nursery bag. Okay, so you will put sand in the nursery bag, and then enough sand, and then bury the base of the young twigs into the soil. That's how to do it. Right. So after doing this, the next job will be to water it. Ensure that you water it morning and evening. But if it is during rainy season and rain is falling regularly, like every day, you don't bother about the irrigation aspect. You don't need to water it. Also, you may apply organic manure into the soil as you are preparing the soil like this. Like if you have chicken dungs, chicken droppings, animal dungs, you can apply into the soil to ensure that the soil is very rich, so that as the young twigs are germinating and sprouting out, they receive manure from the soil. So don't forget to like and share this video. So as we have it like this, then you water it. The next thing is to water it. You can see the way I'm applying water to the twig. At the evening like this, in the morning, early morning, you water it very well. When you water it regularly, you discover that these leaves will not wither, they will not dry off. As soon as possible, the twigs will sprout, and then you see them growing out, while these other leaves serve as a leaf for the new plant. Continue to be leaf for new plants. It will not wither out. Continue to germinate, to sprout with the new new stems that will come out. So that is it. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Now, after 1 week or two, this nursery, the seedling here will be ready for transplanting to any particular place where you want to use the ornamental plants. They will be ready after 1-2 weeks or even 3 weeks. You discover that they have survived and they started growing. So when you uproot them, you will uproot them with a trowel or any particular implement to get out the root with soil. Then you carry it into the hole where you want to transplant. But if you use horticultural bag, nursery bag, so what you do is to remove the bag, tear the bag, the nylon bag, tear it out, and you carry the soil into the hole without breaking the soil away from the roots. So that is it. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We have the nursery right now. In 2 weeks, this will be ready for transplanting. 2-3 weeks or 4 weeks, then we're going to transplant it. This is Farm Guards, channel for horticulture, farming, and organic herbs. Don't forget to like and share the video and hit the notification bell so that another time when I'm bringing very interesting videos like this, you get notified by YouTube. Bye bye.